Today I am bringing you a dog park. I am doing a mini series on the dog parks here in southeastern Indiana. And this will be the first one. I am in Batesville, Indiana. I'm in a park called Liberty Park. And my puppy's dying to get in. Guys, welcome to the very first one of the dog parks in this mini series I'll be doing. I will have a video about maybe 1 or 2 a week of the dog parks. And here's the first one. It's quite a beautiful little dog park. It's small, lots of trees in here. If my dog ever starts hiking his leg, he'd be in heaven. Oh, it's very nice. You even have an opening right here to the smaller dog park for smaller dogs. Oh, this is really nice. Could you imagine what this is going to look like in the summertime? My dog Kit is at the smaller dog park right now. For some reason, my wife is leading him over there. I don't know. Oh, I know why. I will show you. She's trying to get our puppy Kit on this little training device right here. But he's not having no part of it because he's sniffing where all the other dogs been. Oh, there he comes. There he goes. Hey, Kit, come on, buddy. Ready? Come on.
Come on up.
We may have to put the leash on him and see if we get him to go up there. Nah, you don't think so?
He's fine.
But guys, in my next video, I'm going to show you what's over on that other side.
Come here.
But right now, let's just try to get my puppy to go up.
Come here.
Now, whenever I get to a new dog park, there he goes. There he is. There he is.
That's not the way I wanted you to go up.
There you go, buddy. There you go.
Okay, come down.
Come on, kid. Come on.
Come down. Good boy.
But anyway, guys, it is cold out here, by the way. We are expected to have freezing rain and snow any moment now. And when I get done with this video, I'm going to be doing another video since we're here in this location. Yes, I'm carrying on my puppy's collar. So now we're going back to the bigger dog park. Guys, let's put a little bit of music to this and let's get some shots in. Enjoy. Whenever we come to a newer dog park or any dog park, it doesn't matter if it's new or old, we come in, we investigate, and we didn't really investigate this one this time. We used to leave his leash and collar on while we walk around and see how many landmines are in there. Or if they have any orange peelings. I will get to that the next couple dog parks I do. Yes, one dog park, always orange peelings laying around. So we usually investigate to make sure there's nothing there that will harm our puppy. And if there's other dogs in the dog park, I will not be bringing my dog in because one of my subscribers told me be very cautious on that. There's a dog disease or sickness. There, we're sick with sickness. Hey, kid. Hey, buddy. Yeah, there's a dog sickness going around and you don't want your dog... Sorry if I'm making you all dizzy. You don't want your dog getting near another dog because they may have it. Go for her. Kid, come! Come, kid, come! Yeah. Come on, buddy! Come on, kid, let's go! Yeah, Jumbo, come on! Come on, what are you gonna do? 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 You're running to mommy now. Oh, this puppy of mine has brought life into mine and Angie's life. And that would be in the next video, you all. But right now, Batesville Dog Park that I don't think has a name. At least not that we can see. This is the first of many dog parks I'm going to be showing in this mini series. I will show about 1 or 2 dog parks a week. Don't quote me on that. I will at least get 1 a week. But right now, it's cold. We're going to go back to the Defiant, which is what I call my SUV, which is an Equinox. And I'm going to get some gloves on, and I'm going to see if Angie needs, I'm going to probably get my beanie on or see if Angie needs it. And then we're going to get another video that we're out, since we're out here. But guys, the first dog park of the mini series here in Batesville, Indiana. and I'm cold. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. I will see you in the next dog park, but technically, I will see you in the next video, which will be here, as I do have a subject matter. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit.